We can sense the excitement here, and I can assure you, Karishma, and I'm sure you know it as well. Here as well, it's a similar excitement that we're seeing in cities and places across the country. Joining us, Rajesh from Kolkata, Imran from Bengaluru, and Shefali from Noida. And Shefali, we are seeing the excitement in Colombo, but I'm sure in Noida it's no less.
Yes, I'll ask my video journalist to show the visuals here. People have been waiting through times now to celebrate the victory of India. You can look at people across the age here waiting to celebrate this victory. People are over here. We'll try and speak to some of them. Here. Hello, sir. If you can introduce yourself.
My name is Shirojit Dasgupta. महाशिवरात्रि के दिन है, पाकिस्तान को हराया और क्या चाहिए? Yeah!
So you can clearly see the victory. We'll speak to more people now.
Yeah.
Sir, आज का मैच आपको कैसा लगा? क्या कहेंगे?
बहुत अच्छा मैच था आज, और ईशान शर्मा ने शुरू से ही विनिंग टोन सेट कर दिया था। ईशान किशन ने।
हाँ, तो वन साइडेड मैच लगा आपको? देख,
वन साइडेड मैच था। यस
जी, आप बताइए।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, कोई मुकाबला नहीं था। बल्लेबाजी, गेंदबाजी, हर तरफ, हर जगह, हर चीज में हमसे आगे थे और बहुत अच्छा लगा। सारे देशवासियों को जीत की मुबारकबाद।
क्या बोलेंगे? इंडियन टीम के प्लेयर्स ने अच्छा इतना प्रदर्शन दिया है, क्या बोलेंगे प्लेयर्स?
हम उन लोग को बोलेंगे ऐसे खेलते जाए, वर्ल्ड कप वापस लेकर आए। हमें ये वर्ल्ड कप रिटेन करना है। बीइंग अ होस्ट कंट्री, हम चाहते हैं वर्ल्ड कप हमारे पास रहे।
जी। So we have kids also here as well. आप लोग देख सकते हैं। So क्या कहेंगे? आपने पूरा मैच देखा?
हाँ, तो पूरा मैच में तो बहुत खुश था क्योंकि इंडिया ही जीती है, महाशिवरात्रि है और पाकिस्तानी एक काम है आपके लिए। क्रिकेट की तैयारी छोड़ी तो जब वर्ल्ड कप तो जीतता है ही नहीं, तो कर ही क्या रहे हो क्रिकेट खेलते हुए?
So you can clearly see the message coming from children over here to Pakistan. But yes, you can see the celebration here in Noida, where everyone seems to be very happy with the victory that India has bagged for the country.
Okay, in fact, Ranjit Bajaj, founder, director of Minerva Cricket Academy, is also with us. But I want to go across to Imran as well. And Imran, is it very clearly Ishan Kishan who is the star of the match? Does everyone agree with that?
Well, absolutely. In fact, even though the match was in Colombo, but no less excitement was in Bangalore. In fact, we have people around us. We can see just a pan and show the excitement what was happening in Bangalore. Who do you think deserved? Ishan Kishan deserved the man of the match?
Yeah, it was a superb win. Pakistan never stood any chance. Of course, if we continue to win like this, the trophy is not so far away.
Do you think the match was completely one-sided?
Absolutely. We anyway expected to win and India proved us right. Go Team India!
आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? मैच किस तरह से लगा आपको?
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा। इस स्टार्टिंग में मैच में 6 ओवर में कुछ 70-80 रन बन गए। कम से 200 का लक्ष्य था, लेकिन इंडिया ने बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग की है। पिछले ओवर में रिंकू सिंह ने बहुत अच्छा बोले 4-6 मारा है, लेकिन इंडिया ने बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग की है और बॉलिंग भी बहुत अच्छी हुई है। और इंडिया इस कप जीतने के लिए तैयार है। और है ना, ये सुपर 8 में इंडिया ने जगह बना ली है। मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद भारत को। भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की
Last question: do you think that this match was completely one-sided? India just smashed Pakistan, whether it's bowling or batting. Was it a little let down because there was no photo finish? Usually, what we expect from a match like this.
As you know, this is not first time for India as well. It is like India always wins against Pakistan. So I know, right? India cooked Pakistan, I can say. So as usual, Jai India.
So was so bad. They had full excitement here, Bangaloreans, and they were so happy that India not just defeated Pakistan, they also made it in Super 8.
Okay, so the excitement is very clearly quite high in Bengaluru as well, and we have a lot of wishes coming in as well. Before I come to you, Rajesh, let's take in some messages from social media as well. We have a reaction coming in from the Union Home Minister, Amit Shah, who has in fact also put out pictures of Team India, going on to say, well played Team India. Formats, places and dates may change, but the result of the India versus Pakistan remains consistent. He says congratulations to the entire team. And we also have a reaction coming in from Union Minister Piyush Goyal, who says Team India dominated the field like true Dhurandhars. And then he says a brilliant performance, seamless teamwork and a powerful finish. Congratulations to Team India on a fantastic victory over Pakistan. Proud of our champions. My best wishes for the upcoming matches at the T20 World Cup. So this is a wish that has come in. A lot of messages coming in on social media congratulating the team. And Rajesh, I'm sure many agree, and many of the fans here as well have been saying, Why is Pakistan even in the running? And we should actually stop calling it a rivalry because they seem to be falling apart like a pack of cards. Rajesh? Okay, all right. We don't seem to have Rajesh. We'll go to him in just a moment. Let me introduce Ranjit Bajaj and take in a word from him as well. What was the standout moment for you really in this entire match? Because we do know that there was some nerves initially when Abhishek Sharma got out because he was expected to be a star performer. But we always have it in Team India. When one falters, the entire team comes together.
Very rightly said, ma'am. Not only that, I think Ishan Kishan was the man today.
Yes.
And like you said, if somebody falls, somebody else, they take a spot, especially against Pakistan. I don't think the Indians love playing against Pakistan. And they love playing against them. And they hate them so much that they beat them every single time. In fact, it's such an awesome day to be an Indian. So proud that we are so far ahead of our noisy neighbors. And like you said, very rightly again, it's not a rivalry. Rivalries are with equals. They are anywhere near our... I think they should start probably playing with our district teams. Maybe they have a chance against them, but because against our superstars, they have no chance. Every time they play them, they will get thrashed. There's a huge gulf of difference now. So people calling them our rivals is actually disrespecting India and the Indian cricket team. Let's just call them another associate country like Zimbabwe, and I think even probably Zimbabwe will be able to beat them the way they're playing.
Okay, that's a very interesting reaction, and that seems to be the word. And Rajesh is back with us. So Rajesh, can we all be clear, or fans, do they agree with you that Pakistan is no longer even considered a competition now?
Yes, absolutely. Would like to show you the visual first. You can see right now we are present at South Kolkata's Nagpur area, and you can see how the people, cricket fans, are celebrating the big victory of India, and they are celebrating. And it was quite sure that we were confident that India will win and Pakistan will be defeated. And yes, India has defeated Pakistan once again, and it has happened. It is the reality, and they are now celebrating the victory. Would like to speak to some of the cricket fans. सबसे पहले आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे, अभी का पाकिस्तान तो कंपटीशन पे भी नहीं आएंगे ना?
पाकिस्तान का कोई जगह ही नहीं है आने का, कोई जगह नहीं है आने का। अगले बार 9-1 होगा। अच्छा, होपफुली यार। अगले बार 9-1 होगा। सेमीफाइनल में आएंगे तो पहले 10 ओवर में गेम खत्म कर देंगे उन लोग का। पाकिस्तान को एक बात करना चाहता हूँ, उस्मान तारिक बिना तारिक में आए, उसका मार के ठोक देंगे। यस, इंडिया! भारत माता की जय! इंडिया! 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 क्या होगा अभी? पाकिस्तान कभी था ही नहीं और ना ही रहेगा। कोई हिस्ट्री नहीं है टीम का। अभिषेक शर्मा पाकिस्तान का बाप
And I'm sure the cheers are reaching all the way to Colombo. Rajesh, do stay with us just a moment because we are breaking updates now coming in of major embarrassment for Pakistan. Even the PCB chief has given up on Pakistan, it looks like, because the PCB chief actually left the match midway. And Karishma is joining us live from Colombo to get us this update. So Karishma, very clearly the PCB chief also knew what was coming.
I'll come to you. Well, Pratibha, firstly, the fans here are very excited to speak to us. But yes, I will confirm that news to you first. Mohsin Naqvi, the PCB chairman, after putting pressure on his players, left mid-match. He did not even wait for the match to finish. In fact, this question was asked to Mike Hesson in the press conference. He said, no, it's fine. It doesn't put extra pressure. Mohsin Naqvi can come and meet his players. But now to the fans. Mohsin Naqvi, the PCB chairman, couldn't even wait for full match to finish. What do you make of this whole Pakistan setup?
It's nonsense. We don't need it. India, Pakistan have played with quality, with respect. They could have played it. This was all a build-up to the match, a good build-up.
What do you think about the match, the way India played? Do you think it's a rivalry anymore?
I don't know. I think it's a cricket. It goes up and down, but India played really well. I think Pakistan could have done better, but India played really, really well.
And what do you think about the innings that Ishan Kishan played?
Yeah, absolutely fine. He's played whole series very well.
All series very well, but Pratibha, when we were talking about Mohsin Naqvi, it just goes on to show that he couldn't even stay for the full match to be with his team in this difficult time, one has to say, because they were reeling. They were 33 for 3 at one point in time. They were 4 wickets down, 73 for 5, and then just the batting collapsed like a pack of cards as far as the Pakistan team is concerned. There are more fans here. I will speak to them as well. I request you to come here. You're welcome. What would you want to say about the match today? Do you think it was even a competition for Team India?
Not really. It's no longer remained a rivalry. I mean, not being biased, just looking at the numbers. It needs to be a bit more healthy.
You look tired.
Yeah, I mean, I expected a little more of a challenge. Wanted it to go down to the last.
To be more exciting.
Paid a lot of money to come.
You know, the fans are also like, give us something to cheer for. Give us something that we can be, excited about. But this India-Pakistan, as for the fans, has become so boring because the Pakistan team doesn't perform to the expectation that they have. There's a very, very young kid here with me. Do you have a message for the Indian team? You're live right now.
Yeah.
What do you want to say? Who's your favorite player?
Bumrah, he was very good in bowling.
He was very good in bowling. What's your name?
Shiv. He was putting LBW 2 wickets. That was my favorite moment.
So you can see the impact of Indian cricket. He's such a young boy, but he knows what Bumrah was bowling, where he was bowling, what wicket Bumrah was taking. So if you can also step into the frame and just tell us what you thought about the match today.
No, it was as expected. I was chatting with Aditya. I was telling him that 170, even 130 was enough because I know that 2-3 wickets down and Pakistan will crumble under pressure. And yeah, I think I was only looking forward for Sahibzada Farhan versus Bumrah because he spoke too much about Bumrah.
There is no versus, I think, in India.
Yeah. That dude made a documentary after hitting 2 sixes.
Yes.
That itself showcases slave mentality. So,
but when we talk about the India versus Pakistan, sir, if you can step forward, there is so much build up to it. India versus Pakistan, this match, that match, this player versus that player. But what happens to Pakistan's quality of cricket?
So basically, I will not comment on that, but yes, I will only tell.
Yeah, and just
okay.
Look here, Abhishek's family is here, and we will try and speak to them as well. Abhishek, of course, couldn't score here today, so not sure if his family would be willing to speak to the media or not. But this has been a huge victory for the Indian team. So important.
All right. So Karishma, you try and speak to the family members, and let's also tell our viewers what's happening across the country. Celebrations have already broken out. Karishma, of course, joining us live from Colombo. Excitement in the air, but look at the visuals on your screens from Mumbai, Kolkata, Ghaziabad, Jammu, as well as Amritsar as well. Celebrations are taking place. I thank all my reporters for joining us. Also, my special thanks to Mr. Ranjit Bajaj for joining us on the broadcast. Quick break. We'll be right back.